Good morning, everyone. My name is Lieutenant Anupajit, Assistant Professor of Department of Defense Studies and ANO of Sri Ram College of Arts and Science. I belong to 6th Tamil Nadu Medical Company NCC, Coimbatore Group, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Directorate. Welcome to my online classes. Today my topic is on NCC training activities. NCC training. NCC training conducted at colleges and schools conducted by associate NCC officers and armed forces personnel. The syllabus are common subject for all three wings and special subject. Senior wing, senior division. Training is for 3 years. Junior wing, junior division. Training is for 2 years. Basic military training to the cadets as part of the curriculum. Firstly, to expose cadets to a regimental way of life. Example, value of discipline, duty, punctuality, smartness, respect for the authorities, and self-confidence. Secondly, to generate interest in cadets. Thirdly, to inculcate defense services work ethos, hard work. Example, sincerity of purpose, honesty, ideal of selflessness, service, dignity of labor, secular outlook, commandership, spirit of adventure, and sportsmanship. Basic aim of camps is to introduce cadets to a regimented way of life and helps in developing camaraderie, teamwork, leadership qualities, self-confidence, self-reliance, and dignity of labor in the cadets. It is mandatory for junior division, junior wing cadets to attend at least one camp and senior division, senior wing cadets to attend at minimum of 2 camps during the period of their enrollment. NCC camp strength. Each NCC camp is structured for approximately 400 to 600 cadets with instructional staff comprising 3 to 4 officers and 15 to 20 associate NCC officers, PI staff, old-time lady officers, girl cadet instructors. NCC camps, annual training camps, combined annual training camps, centrally organized camps. These camps are of all India nature and are planned by headquarters DG NCC in consultation with state NCC directorates which conducted them. Centrally organized camps, national integration camps, now Ek Bharat Shesht Bharat, leadership camps, advanced leadership camp and basic leadership camp. TSE, Thalsanic camp for Army Wing Cadets, VSC, Vayasanic camp for Air Wing Cadets, NSC, Nausanic camp for Naval Wing Cadets, rock climbing training camps and RDC. Republic Day camp. RDC is held at Garrison Parade Ground, Delhi Cantonment every year from 1st January to 29th January. 2070 selected NCC cadets from all states and union territories attend the camp. This camp represents all parts of India. PM's rally. The PM's rally begins with the God of Honor, presented to Honorable Prime Minister by NCC cadets. Contingents from all state NCC directorate participate in the march past on January 28 every year. PM's rally culminates with award of Prime Minister's banner to the winning directorate by the Honorable Prime Minister. The events are witnessed by a number of dignitaries that include Honorable Raksha Mantri, Raksha Rajaya Mantri, 3 service chiefs and Defense Secretary. Attachment training. Army units. 440 officers and 20,000 cadets attended attachment training with regular army units annually. Indian Military Academy, Officers Training Academy. 120 senior division cadets undergo attachment training at IMA Dehradun and 48 senior wing cadets at OTA Chennai. Military Hospital Attachment. 1000 senior wing cadets are attached with various military hospitals for 12 days. Air Force 100 Air Wing NCC cadets undergo attachment training with AFA Dindigul, which is conducted twice in a year for 13 days each in June and October. Special lectures are delivered on air power, aviation medicine, and technical subjects, and cadets are exposed to ground and passive air defense training also. During this, cadet learn about the flying and ground training being imparted to the flying cadets. Navy 170 SW cadets of Naval Wing undergo attachment training with the INA Erilmala for 12 days in December every year. Naval Ship Attachment 300 cadets of Naval Wing embark on naval ship at Mumbai, Kochi and Vishakhapatnam twice a year for sea training and attachment for a period of 12 days. Cadets are imparted intensive training in various naval subjects and get an opportunity to see naval exercise at sea. Social service and community development. Social service to teach the cadets the dignity of labor, to create in them an interest in constructive work which will be used to the community, to set an example of selflessness service and teamwork, to give a lead in organized work. The task of national building, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, tree plantation, anti-drug rally, cancer awareness, disaster relief, blood donation, Beti Bacho Beti Padho, AIDS awareness, care for the blind, traffic control, and other similar relevant contemporary social issues. Youth Exchange Program. Selected NCC cadets participate in Youth Exchange Program, which is a country-to-country exchange of cadets belonging to NCC youth organizations of friendly countries. NCC has a vibrant YEP with 11 countries. The benefit of this program have been widely acknowledged. Our cadets share strong bond with our YEP partners. Adventure activities. NCC cadets are given the opportunity to participate in a host of adventure activities, including mountain treks, expeditions, trekking, parasailing, sailing, scuba diving, kayak, and camel safari, etc. Spirit of adventure. Develop stamina, endurance, discipline, courage, determination, comradeship, leadership, leading to development of self-confidence and team spirit amongst NCC cadets. Sports. NCC National Games. NCC National Games were started in 2013, giving opportunity to the youth from NCC and selection at the national level. NCC led access to high potential sports like football, hockey, and shooting to talented cadets so as to hone their team and sports skills. All India GV Mavlankar shooting competition. Firing being one of the important training activities of NCC. NCC conducts interstate directorate shooting competition to select the NCC team to participate in the National Rifle Association of India. Events like All India GV Mavlankar Shooting Championship competition and National Shooting Championship competition every year. Equestrian event. NCC of remote and veterinarian units participate in various national level equestrian competitions every year. Jawaharlal Nehru Cup Hockey Tournament. 4 NCC teams in junior boys, sub-junior boys and junior girls categories participate in the prestigious Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament every year. Subroto Cup Football Tournament. Three NCC teams in junior boys, sub-junior boys, and junior girls categories participate in prestigious Subroto Cup Football Tournament. Sailing Regatta. Sailing Regatta is conducted every year at INS Chilika in Odisha. A total of 102 cadets participate in this competition over a period of 8 days. Officers Training Academy, Kanti. Both SD and JD ANOs will get trained here. NCC OTA was established on 1st March 1957 and formally inaugurated on 6th May 1957 by the then Deputy Defence Minister Sardar Surjit Singh Manjithia. Officers Training Academy, Gwalior. Both SW and JW ANOs will get trained here. The girls' wing for pre-commission training for lady ANOs, which was shifted to Gwalior in April 1965, is presently known as OTA. Gwalior, which is a premium women officers training institution, the courses are conducted for the lady ANOs, GCIs, and WTLOs. Certification. Cadets of Junior Division, Junior Wing are eligible for A certificate examination and cadets of Senior Division, Senior Wing for B and C certificate examinations. Thanks for watching and thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.